Welcome to Roman architecture with your unsure Professor J.R. Johnson and my companions, Jeremiah and Julian. Now, let's get started. Rome was filled with all kinds of amazing feats of engineering, such as constructing a water pumping system to move water from a distance and keep it flowing all the way into a plumbing system into a city, using a device known as a water screw, which is made from a screw inside of a hollow tube that scoops water upwards and dumps it back down into a higher point, such as their aqueducts, which would then carry it downwards more into another screw, so on and so forth until it finally hit any city that they were trying to provide water to.
By Emperor Vespasian, founder of the Flavian dynasty, for Titus, his successor. Many natural disasters devastated the structure of the Colosseum, but it was the earthquake of 847 AD and 1231 AD that caused most of the damage you see today. The area beneath the Colosseum was called the Hypogeum, meaning underground. The Hypogeum consisted of two-level subterranean network of tunnels and 32 animal pens. It had 80 vertical shafts, which provided instant access to the arena for animals and scenery. Colosseum is an elliptical building measuring 189 meters long and 156 meters wide, with a base area of 24,000 meters with a height of more than 48 meters. The Colosseum only took 10 years to build, starting in 70 AD and was completed in 80 AD using 60,000 Jewish slaves.
Most people wonder how the Roman architectures were built, like, let's say, the aqueducts, the Pantheon, and also the Colosseum. Well, they used something called an A-frame crane. It's in the shape of an A, used like a pulley, and they pull the rope and it lifts up the thing. And sometimes they use water and a wheel. And the water will build up on the wheel, and the wheel will spin, and it'll lift up the thing that they're trying to move. Most people wonder how it worked, but it's simple. Some of them were just turning, some of them were pulling ropes, and some of them were used with water. One of the architectures that the A-frame helped build was called the Pantheon, also known as the Hall of the Gods. It was built like a dome, mainly because it was to tell direction. One of the things that make it different is the arches that they have to help support the building. Like, all around, you will be able to see different arches before you get to the dome part where it goes up. They help the structure stay up in a way. And then the dome, how they made that was they made it skinnier near the top, and they used really light stones so it wouldn't cave in.